Role of accounting. For centuries, the role of accounting has been changing with the changes in the economic development and the increasing social demands. You see, before and all, accounting was a bookkeeping only, but at present, accountant work is more than that. Different kinds of branches are started, and in the ancient, if you see, the single entry system only we have followed. Then with the help of lookup possibly double entry system. Then after that, so many accounting: environmental accounting, cost accounting, financial accounting, management accounting, different accounting we found, and demand was increasing in the society. It describes and analyzes a mass of data of an enterprise through measurement, classification, and summarization, and reduces those data into reports and statements. So see, we are making some records with the help of analyzing, reporting mass of data of an enterprise through measurement in quantification, and we are classifying different kinds of accounts, and we are summarizing, and these all the details gives the full-fledged accounting information, that is final accounts. Even that final accounts, sometimes that those who don't have accounting knowledge, they couldn't understand that final account. So we are eliminating complexities for them, and we are making charts, reports and statements, and we are giving in this form statistical reports and data to the users. It is user friendly also, which shows the financial conditions of the results, and the results of operation of the enterprise. So this shows very clearly about the financial strength and weaknesses of the company and the enterprise also. Hence, it is regarded as the language of business. So what is the language of business is accountancy, accounting, and what is the lifeblood of the business is finance. Lifeblood of the business is finance. It also performs the service activity by providing quantitative financial information that helps the users in various ways. Accounting as an information system collects and communicates economic information about an enterprise to a wide variety of interested parties. So you know that it gives wide variety of information for its users, and it performs service activity by providing quantitative financial information, isn't it? So quantitative, all in financial in nature, monetary in nature, and helps the users in various ways. What are the ways? Accounting as an information system collects and communicates economic information about an enterprise. So about an enterprise, if you wanted to know about economic information, you can get to know with the help of this accounting information to a wide variety of interested groups. However, accounting information relates to the past transactions and is quantitative and financial in nature. It about past transaction about the financial in nature, because finally we will prepare 31st March every year, that is final accounts about previous year accounts. We will present the report in current year. It does not provide qualitative and non-financial information. Yes, of course, but we can get to know with the help of information about the company's quality and strength and weaknesses of the company. But that financial information will not show about the qualitative in nature. It shows only quantitative nature. For money-oriented activities only we can get to know, and qualitative in nature about relationship between the managers and this and that we cannot comes to know. With the help of accounting information we cannot. These limitations of accounting must be kept in view while making use of the accounting information. So while making accounting information, some limitations also there, that is quality are not there. So it shows only quantitative informations and financial oriented informations. It will not provide non-monetary and non-financing in nature. Thank you.